No, but no. That's what I'm asking. Is there anything that you need to work on? Any aspect of your English that you want to improve?
Actually, from already I have done lots of sessions. So I am facing, means I am also practicing on that. I'm facing a sentence structure. That means tenses issues.
Okay, tenses issue. Hmm.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. That we can work on. So
Yes.
let's start by knowing your daily routine. Can you please tell me your daily routine from morning till night?
Okay. For in past tense or in present tense?
It never is a daily routine spoken in past tense. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It is
So
always spoken in simple present tense.
okay, sure. I
All right.
am I am waking up
No.
early
No.
in.
Simple present tense.
I
Simple
wake.
present tense is no ing, no will, no past, nothing. Okay.
Okay,
It is
sure, sure.
just I wake up, I eat, I go, I like, I dance, all simple words.
Okay,
So
sure.
things that you do on a daily basis.
Okay. I wake up early morning at 6 o'clock, and then I go to washroom to fresh myself. I uh, I make a dinner. I make a breakfast for myself.
Yeah.
I make sandwich, or I like to make breakfast like sandwich, and I have my lunch. I have my breakfast. Um, Breakfast is a sandwich plus sandwich and banana with banana. Sandwich with banana,
Okay.
and then I drink cucumber juice.
Mhm.
Then I hear audio book, like any audio book in English or Hindi.
Okay.
Then I write a notes relating what I am listening, what I listen from the audiobook. So I summarize the audiobook into in my diary,
Okay.
and then I start a work. I work as a backend executive, as well as sales. I learn English. I work on I open my computer. I open my PC, laptop, and then start my work. Start my work.
Mhm.
I open Excel sheet, and then manage all the things, and then manage all the data into Excel sheet. And side by side, I also do and side by side I also do like I also do listen English videos, will almost 8 minutes, not more than that. And after that, when I listen, I used to remember their words, their pronunciations, their sentence structures. And
Mm.
from that, I only just listen and just remember. And then I work almost to up to I work at 2 o'clock, and then I make lunch. I make lunch for myself. Uh, I make rice, dal. I make rice, dal, and any kind of vegetables curry.
Yeah.
And then I have lunch with 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 rice, dal, and vegetables curry with salad. With
Okay.
with salad. Then I move to take take a nap, or I read some book read
Uh-huh.
some book like any kind of self-help book. I really love to read self-help book. I Then I back to work, and I work till 6 o'clock. And after completing all the work, I move to some walk outside. I go to walk.
No, no, not go to. You don't say go to outside. You simply say I go outside.
Okay, okay.
The walk.
I go outside some walk, right?
Yeah.
I go outside some walk, and with that I also I when I go outside to walk, I also buy vegetables or grocery products. Then
Okay.
I come back at my home, and then I make dinner for myself.
Uh-huh.
I make sometimes I make roti, means chapati,
Okay.
as well as vegetable curries, as well as vegetable curries and dal.
Uh-huh.
Then after that, I I have my dinner. I have my dinner because I have my dinner at around 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, means 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. I have my dinner earlier at this time on a daily basis, and then I have my dinner, and then I move to I talk to my mom for 5 to 10 minutes, and
Uh-huh.
then I when I then I go to read again English English videos, and as well as do 5 minutes meditation, as well as do gratitude. Uh, I gratitude to God for 2 minutes, and then
Uh-huh.
I go to sleep at 10 o'clock.
All right. All right. Okay. What part of your day do you look forward to the most?
What part? I
Part of your
can't.
day do you look forward to the most?
I can't understand. What's the meaning?
What part of your day, which part of your day do you like the most every day?
Okay. Every day I like mostly when I work in the organization, as well as if I say overall, then it's when I spend time with myself.
Okay.
Yes.
So certain solitude.
Yeah.
Spending time with yourself is called solitude.
Okay.
Okay. Hmm. All right now. Okay, that also brings us to the end of the session. Do
Yes,
you have any doubt first of all?
I have no doubts. But yeah, means I go through all the simple tense. I try to explain. So give your suggestion that uh, how it how is it?
You did speak very well. You spoke very extensively, which I really appreciate. Um, there weren't many mistakes. There were a couple of things which I pointed out for you right when I felt the need to. Yeah.
Yes.
So that was also done. Just keep this in mind. The reason we did this activity is so that your simple present tense could be strengthened. Like, see, we're going to start with I am, but whenever we tell somebody our daily routine, anything that happens daily, uh, anything which is very generic, our likes, our dislikes, universal things, they're all spoken in simple present tense. Okay, so that is what this is a practice of.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
well done.
Yes.
Now, next time when you have a session, whoever it is with,
Hmm.
tell them that you want to work on your past tense. Your present is done, now you move on to your past. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Thank you
Means
for
from
cooperating
that.
with you. It was lovely meeting you. Have a good day ahead.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.